guys, what's up? How's it going? It's Halloween drawings. Hopefully you guys are having an awesome day. Today we're going to go over how to draw a cute bat. There are many different bat drawings on this site, on this channel, but I wanted to go over yet another way to do it. So let's get started. Again, you're going to have a black marker, and that's pretty much all we're really going to need. Well, you might need a black colored pencil too. So let's get started. Arc. 3 small arcs below that. Pull up. Pull down here. It's going to be an overall circular shape. Little ear. Continuing a circular shape. Another ear. Continuing the circular shape. Another arc on that side. Large arc. 3 smaller arcs below that. Pull down, continue that circular shape. Little nub for a foot, little nub for a foot. Eye. Eye. So we'll smile with some fangs on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a colored pencil and I'm going to color in the eyes with orange. You can also use yellow, but I'm going to use orange. And I'm going to grab a black colored pencil, or you can even just grab a regular pencil. And I'm going to color in the rest of him black. You know, bats tend to be black, or sometimes I can see purple is used as a type of black. I'm just going to use a side here and I'm going to color it in as flat as I can. If I'm going too fast, please rewind and pause as needed. Also, if you do like Halloween, like let's just, get this going, the Halloween season's going, press that like button and share the video to really get the season kicked off. I'm sharing a lot of Halloween videos on Facebook, on drawing, just to kind of get that season started. Let's get it going. I'm going to be posting a video every single day until Halloween, so let's really make the most of it. And if you have any suggestions, let me know. There's already a couple of really good suggestions that I want to do. So this was one as well, a different version of the bat. And that's pretty much it. That is a cartoony cute bat, a kawaii bat in a way. So thank you so much for following. Another favor. Don't forget, buy the sketchbook that I have, support the channel. The sketchbook is full of cool, diverse, crazy drawings and fan art. It is essentially a little book of sketches that I haven't posted anywhere. Buy that because there's only a couple left. Thank you so much, guys. I'm going to put the link to that in the little eyeball in the right-hand corner on the top screen or in the description. So talk to you guys soon.